couple leaning down middle and up, the second couple having stepped up on 3 and 4. First couple, you're going to dance reels. Lady will dance a right shoulder reel with the 2s above you, and the man's dancing a right shoulder reel with the 3s below. Okay, so as you lead up, you have to be aware of that fact. So left shoulder to right shoulder reel. At the end of that right shoulder reel across, you finish facing your first corners. First couple, set 2 and turn corners and finish between your corners. Okay? You've got 8 bars to go. This is the first couple solo. First couple set advancing, and first couple either do a half a turn and party basket and retire, or a 1.5 turn and party basket and retire, or if you're extremely clever, you can do a 2.5 turn and party basket and retire. I would strongly advise not being clever. So it's down, middle, and up. The 2 right shoulder reels across the dance, finishing facing corners, set 2 and turn corners, finishing between your corners, and the first couple have their setting solo. Good luck. Am I done? The first couple are giving right shoulder to their first corners. So first lady is giving right shoulder to the second man at the top, and first man is giving right shoulder to the third lady at the bottom. I apologise for not saying that. Thank you for that.